myself originally, and he came out here looking for her. I told her she was outside, and I wasn't sure where she went. So they were both sitting out here. When I was going out here to get my food, I heard a slapping sound. So I turned around, and he has her arm bent down, and he's hitting her in the head.
Oh.
So I ran up to him, I said, hey, get off of her. He ran out towards the elevator to go back to his room. I'm trying to comfort her and say, what do you want to do? I could get you in the room for now, but let's try to get you somewhere out of the
Is she still
area.
here?
She's still here, yeah.
You know where she's at?
She's in 411.
Okay, all right.
And he went back to his room, and then shortly after we went back up there to he has to leave.
Are they married? Do you have any idea or no?
I
They
don't
live,
know,
like they're together, right?
Yeah, they're together.
Okay.
Yeah. They're both on the reservation.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna go talk to her in a little bit.
Casa Marina and ends up going there. I'm like out here walking around trying to find her, never find her. I'm sitting in my room. She's like, I'm not coming back, blah, 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 I'm not coming back. So she's sitting over here and we're talking.
Do me a favor, put that bottle down for me too as well. Thank you.
Jesus Christ, man. All right, so she's sitting there and she's like just mouthing off at me. I say something back to her. She slaps me and I grabbed her hair.
That's it?
That's exactly what happened.
Okay, nothing else? Didn't
Nothing.
Go back and forth fighting?
No.
Oh.
Nothing. Just that. Grabbed her hair, and then he said, sir, sir, sir. And I was like, I got it. I stepped away. And I went upstairs, and I grabbed her bags, and I just pulled them out.
Did you talk to her?
No. What's your first name?
Scott.
Scott. Where are you from?
Virginia.
Virginia. And you guys live together, you and this other female?
Well, we used to. Right now, we don't live together.
Okay, are you guys dated or you just were
We're like,
roommates?
We're still like, engaged.
But you're engaged, okay. And you used to live together, what was that, before you came here on vacation or
No,
what?
no, no. This is like, we haven't lived together for 2 years. We decided, because she had issues with her kids, they needed like their space, so we ended up like deciding we lived close together, but not the same.
Okay. All right. See, I caught the tail end of it. I have no idea where she's at, and that's what we're trying to figure out what's going on. Right now we have an eviction, but we've got to figure out what happened to cause you guys to get evicted, right? And it seems like there was an altercation, but we're just here to try to, facilitate the eviction and see what we got.
I got mad at her. She slapped me, and I grabbed her hair.
Where did she slap you at?
Right over here.
No, on your body.
No, over here.
With an open hand? She like open hand slapped you?
Yeah, she's like popping on the face.
Okay. Take a seat. You're going to sit tight with this officer here, all right?
You don't have to sit in the rain, you can sit up here.
Yeah, right there on one of these steps.
These are particularly comfortable.
There you go. Hello, Nicola?
Yes.
Would you mind stepping out here and talking to me? Make sure you flip the latch so it doesn't lock you out.
I'm sleeping, sorry. I guess.
You got it? Here, I'll
No,
help you.
I can't have.
Just stand right out here. Is it just you in here?
Yeah.
Here we go. All right. Let me tell you what we got, and then I'll ask you some questions, okay? So we got a call here about an eviction, right? And then as we get here, we speak to the people that are downstairs, and they're telling us that the guy that you're here with was hitting you outside on Simonton Street. Can you tell me what happened today?
So you guys are evicting him?
No, I'm just telling you why we got here, but
Oh.
right now I'm doing a battery investigation.
Okay. Yeah. So obviously, yes, we got in a tiff, and then I ended up walking back by myself, and we were downstairs, and we were getting into it, and I actually smacked him first, and then
Okay.
he grabbed me. And
Where did
yes.
he grab you at?
And
On your face?
yeah.
Okay, when he grabbed you on your face, did he hit you or anything like that, or did he just grab you on the face?
No, he didn't hit me.
Okay, do you guys live together?
No.
No, you don't. Okay, you're engaged to him, correct? All right, and you guys are from Virginia?
Yeah.
All right, do you have your license with you? It's inside?
I have my, I do, and I have my passport. Which
Okay.
one?
Just the license is fine. I'm gonna flip some lights on. Can you hold this door open for me?
Sorry, I just
It's
feel
all right.
stuck in here. I'm like,
There's a light switch on. It's okay. You said your ID's in here?
Actually, my passport's in here.
Yeah, just if you have a Virginia ID, that makes it a lot easier.
Virginia ID. In this bag, maybe?
So you said that he like approached you and y'all were arguing and you slapped him?
Yeah, he was telling me he made some ridiculous comment like I need a whipping once in a while or something like that, and I just smacked him.
Okay, let's step back here. Do you have shoes? These flip-flops right here? Perfect. I got them for you. What? No, I just don't want you to be standing out here without any shoes on. I don't know, right now I'm still got to figure out what we've got.
I think we both we're actually down here celebrating our 10-year anniversary, as sad as that sounds.
So you guys have been dating for 10 years?
We've been together for 10 years.
Okay. And y'all how long did y'all live together?
We lived together for about 6 years, and then I moved out about a little over a year ago.
Okay. And what's the best phone number to reach you at? Okay. So after you slapped him, you just like slapped him with an open hand and he grabbed you on the face? And then what happened?
I think he grabbed him. I don't know. He reacted.
He just grabbed a hold of you? And then he just let go or what?
I don't know. He came around the corner. It just
Go
all
ahead.
happened so fast. He came around the corner, and as soon as he saw him, and
Copy.
we were like, "Hey!" That's when he
West Patrol 1.
looked inside.
Okay.
So
All right. Would you mind stepping to the lobby with us, just so we can, that way my partner's down there with that, and I'm up here, that way we're all together and we can communicate, because like I said, we're doing an investigation, we have to be together. Would you mind walking down there with me?
Okay.
I'm just going to lock this so it doesn't... Y'all have a way to get back in here, right?
I gave her a key.
You gave her a key?
I could give her another key downstairs.
sorry, I don't even have my contacts in.
Okay. You want to grab your cell phone and your contacts? This is weird.
I don't understand, is the hotel?
I have no idea.
Charges? I mean,
What? No,
I
no, no.
was literally
So,
fast asleep.
no, that's
I
fine.
was just trying to-
So what happens in the state of Florida is, when a battery occurs, right, and it's domestic in nature, which it seems like that's what this is, an arrest has to be made, but right now, we have to determine if we have enough probable cause to make an arrest, number one, and number two, we have
An
to...
arrest, don't arrest him.
No,
Like,
okay,
we're
that's,
just-
but we gotta go down there so I can talk to him, and it's just part of it's
Oh my
procedure.
gosh, I think he was probably in bed and I was in bed. I mean, that's the extent of where we're at. I don't think it, I mean, it wasn't a good situation, and I think we both realize that, and we're both trying to figure out where we go from here, but.
I know, that's why we're gonna go downstairs and talk about it.
Yeah,
Make sure you
I
grab
don't-
your phone.
Yeah.
Oh, this is inside.
Yep.
That's cool.
By the way, I do not have my mask, sorry.
Oh,
Oh, we got some downstairs.
You know what, I didn't bring a key.
he said he can get you in. The lobby's right here to the left, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just go in here and sit at the lobby really quick in one of these chairs. It's a pull. And just take a seat right here for me. Right, so she told me that they got in an argument and she slapped him in the face and then he grabbed her, she doesn't know where, and then he yelled and told him to stop.
Sounds like she's
Yeah,
primary aggressor mutual, I guess.
yeah. You want to run it by Dave?
Yeah.
I'll say,
Do you think
here's
it's mutual or you think it's just primary aggressor?
I don't know, go ask him, see what he thinks.
We actually just got here today. We were in Miami for the last 3 days, and we had an amazing time. We came down here, and it's craziness down
here.
here, which we weren't expecting. Well, he was a big proponent of coming down here, and I'd never been down here before. It's beautiful, but I was.
This is the week of the craziness, though. That's because it's Fantasy Fest this week.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
Like,
there's-
I have no idea. And he's like, I didn't expect it to be like this because where we're at, you know, he's very conscious about COVID and the whole night. I'm like, we're in the middle of a shit show. Like, what
How
is
you doing?
going on down
I'm
here?
Officer Bizzetti.
What? All right, go ahead and stand up. Stand up for me. And put your hands behind your back.
Being arrested?
Yep, turn that way and put your hands behind your back for me.
We're both being arrested?
Yep, for mutual battery.
Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna keep them loose so that they don't hurt your wrists, okay?
Okay.
So in the state of Florida, listen, we're gonna walk out here and get in the car really quick. I'm gonna get your phone for you. So this is what happens.
My phone's about dead. I don't have
Okay.
anyone to call. I mean,
Well, we'll be able to, we can charge it for you whenever I get in the car. I have an iPhone. There's an iPhone, yeah. And then whenever
really,
we
we're
get to
both
the,
gonna get charged?
yeah, come on.
This is horrible. Do you realize that?
A5, we have two in custody. So in the state of Florida, the way it works is, be careful of these steps right here, right? Whenever the mutual battery occurs or when a domestic battery occurs, the state of Florida has put the onus on itself to press the charges because in most senses, you're not going to press charges, right? And it's just the
But
way.
we don't even have any marks. I mean, there's nothing, I mean, literally.
We're going to go over here to this front car.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
I'm going to go on to the other side as well. You don't even have pockets, do you? Watch out for this puddle and step up right up here.
I mean, literally, this is going to ruin us, our jobs,
Scooch up over
everything.
here.
Do you realize?
So this is a misdemeanor charge,
What is-
right?
Okay. what
So
does
in the
that
state of
mean?
Florida, there's two types of charges, right? This is the lesser of the two. Like, you know what a felony is?
Well, yes.
Okay, so this is not a felony. This is
felony.
below that. We're just gonna
I
sit
know,
right here.
but no, I mean, I'm getting a misdemeanor for battery. For literally slapping him.
Oh,
Oh, wow. This is like
Scoot back for me.
hard.
I'm gonna buckle you in so
What
you're
about all
safe.
my stuff?
Well, you can. I don't think you've been evicted. I'm gonna talk to them about that. to make sure that-
I don't want him to be evicted either. This
Well, I
is
mean,
horrible.
this is a private establishment, right? It's private property, and unfortunately, we can't tell them what to do with that. I have your cell phone, okay? So it's gonna come with you. I'm gonna charge it like I told you to. You keep like staying calm like this, and you're gonna be in and out as quick as you can, okay? Just sit tight for me.
I don't want this